I never really show these guys. I should. Because the road's pretty much full of them. Well, howdy folks. Shawn here from Hiking with Shawn on YouTube with Michelle and Buford. Buford and Michelle kind of look the same. And today we are at Snake Road. We're going to do some social distancing herping. It's a nice day. It is near in the 50s. Probably going to get to about 60, maybe a little bit more. Very sunny. Should be snaky. That's what we're hoping, at least. And we're all gonna enjoy a hike, including Buford hanging out with Michelle, because I never take Buford anymore on these hikes, and he's a little Bigfoot. He deserves to be out here.
First Snake Road?
Yeah, it's his first Snake Road herp. So he might get bit by a timber. Yeah, he could get eaten by one. Hopefully not. So stay tuned for fun. Alrighty folks, first snake of the day. A very, very big fat ribbon. Huge snake. Oh, wow.
That's probably what, 20 inches?
Yeah. That's a big snake. Wow. Michelle's in there. Michelle and Buford finding morels. If you want to go morel hunting, you need to take her with you. Because she finds all the morels. Nice day today here at Snake Road. Love being here. Love it. Not a whole lot of people either for it being like almost 60 degrees and nice. You'd think more people would be here. Thought I had a sneeze. Guess I don't. It's a good thing. That freaks people out. But yep, it's a nice day. So ran into a few people, but everyone's keeping their distance, being cool. And it was nice to meet all y'all today. I met a fan in Dollar Store. That's cool. And met a fan here on the road. So really enjoyed that. Enjoy when you guys come up and say hi, even during this that we're going through. You can physically distance and come say hi. Don't be afraid to. You're always welcome. That's why I just want to call it physical distance, because social distance sounds like you're distancing yourself socially, and no one should be doing that. Keep being social, you know. Keep talking to people who are lonely, you know. Being lonely could be a lot worse than COVID-19. That's why people are, you know, say to some people, stay home. And when those people have no one, that's just, it's almost like prison sentence, you know. I used to be like that. Not anymore at all, but you know, I know how it feels for those folk. So I'm not gonna ever be the one to tell you to stay home. Just use common sense. That's all you have to do. Only one snake so far. We're on the lookout though. Usually the walk back, I have the better luck with snakes. Hopefully that's the case today. Then we're gonna probably take a drive up Pine Hills Road up to the top. Go check out McGee Overlook and all that good stuff. Alright folks, I'm gonna turn the camera towards all this flower called Miami Mist, and hopefully you'll hear all the bees in it. I mean, they're loud, and I've turned the mic around, so hopefully you'll hear them.
Want to build a cairn.
There's one place that you should never, ever put a cairn, and that's Snake Road. All right, there's a nice overlook. Yeah, got the Snake Road swamp down there. All the way out there's pretty much the big muddy river and floodplains. Quite a bit of stuff still pretty flooded, and beyond all them trees and hills is the river. Looks like mountains up here on top of Pine Hills Road. It's a really pretty area. And now this road is fixed. Let's see, there you go. No filters. And cool, huh? All right, came up to another spot here at Clear Springs Wilderness. Thought that was cool. I've never went down here. I don't know where that goes, but we're gonna go up here to this lookout point. Let me put some ND filters on. Guess I need to put another one on. There we go. And we're gonna check the lookout point out. All right, folks, up here on top of the overlook, got this cool chimney. I do believe this was constructed by the CCC. I think they built a few of them here, Camp Cadiz, stuff like that. Feel free to correct me if I'm wrong, if anyone knows, but here's the overlook. It's really nice. It's really pretty. Look at all them trees.
I think there used to be a pavilion here,
Probably.
and that was at the end of it.
Could have been it. Old pavilion site. I bet that was it. And there's a bench on the other side.
Look at the butterfly. Oh, you missed him. You almost stepped on him.
Oh. Yeah. So. But nonetheless, it's a cool chimney. I'm glad they left the chimney up. And what a view. All right. Here's another really pretty overlook. Beautiful. Really beautiful overlook. Whew. Pretty area.
Wow.
Sorry for the noise. There's some excitement going up at McGee Hill.
They were practicing social distancing.
Yeah, practicing anti-social distancing. Found this neat little overlook. Thought we'd check it out. And Michelle spotted it and said there's a little stairway down and it goes to the edge of a bluff, and it sure does. It's kind of neat. So we turned around and we're gonna check it out. Really cool. This whole road is just fun. Oh yeah, pretty high. See a squirrel down there. Yeah, pretty high. Michelle discovered a really, really pretty spot. So kudos, Michelle. Good job. But it is really pretty right here, seeing the river. And wow, I believe that'd be the Big Muddy. Maybe. Unless it's some sort of creek, I don't know. But that is really beautiful. I want to come back here in the fall.
Oh yeah. I agree.
Yeah. This would be a spot. Man, that is just scenic. That's one of the prettiest images of Southern Illinois I've ever seen right there. Whew.